Are you tired of spending hours manually tweaking ad campaigns? Learn how to set up an AI agent in Semrush to automate your ads in under 2 minutes. First, I'll show you how to access the advertising toolkit. Then, connect your accounts, and finally, choose the right plan to start your free trial. First, go to Semrush folders to organize your data. Click on the first highlighted area. Then click on the second highlighted area. Now click on the highlighted option. Click on the Advertising Toolkit. Note that a subscription is required. Click Connect to link your account. Click Get full access to the Advertising Toolkit. Click on the Base plan. Then click on the Pro plan. Finally, click Get 7 days free trial to start your trial. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.